In this lecture, we're going to get a general overview of the WordPress.org Content Management System, or CMS. WordPress.org is an open-source content management system used by millions of people to host their blog, website, or online store. Many hosting solutions offer one-click WordPress installs, so it's really easy to get your WordPress site up and running in no time. Page designs are based on templates called themes. Themes add the general styling to your website. There are many themes that can be downloaded from the theme directory on WordPress, although beautiful themes can be downloaded by Googling WordPress themes free download. Plugins add additional functionality to your website. For instance, BuddyPress can turn your website into a social network. There are over 34,000 plugins available on the plugin directory on WordPress. The plugin that we're going to be using for our website will be WooCommerce, which enables us to create our online store. Lastly, and this is huge, there is a huge community of support. Because so many people use WordPress, many people have had questions and other people have answered those questions. Use WordPress's support section to gain very valuable information if you're ever stuck with designing or managing your site.